Preppy craft girl, living in her crafty world.
Hey crafty friends, it's Jonna, the Preppy Crafty Girl, and I am here for a special release I'm going to start doing. Once a month, I'm going to do my take on Date with a Book. But mine is called Date with an Art Book. And what it is that you will get a kit full of vintage items, and it's going to kind of go along with the theme of whatever book you get. So for instance, like I've got this one. This is not a book. This will be a DVD. It's unopened. It's Seth Apter, Easy Mixed Media Techniques for the Art Journal. And then I made a bookmark using his fabric, so that kind of goes. And then I took some of the things that I felt reflected his art, and in here I have he's from New York City, so I put some New York City stuff in there, numbers he likes, and weird kind of, not objects, but not that's the back side of the paper, so you'll get some things to collage with and use. And then I had a one of his gently used stencils, so I'm including one of his stencils. And then I put in here some vintage wallpaper, and I put some canvas paper in here because he likes to use this textured paintable wallpaper. And so I have that. So these are going to be dropped in my Etsy shop, and they will be available on March 1st. So the first of every month, I'm going to drop a kit or a couple of kits. In this case, I have 3, which I'm going to do a sneak peek. In the notes or message section to me, if it's going to be a gift for someone, let me know, and I will wrap it like so that they don't know what's inside of it. And I may just like leave this on the outside, like I'll make like a pocket or something, and I'll just put this on the front, and that'll kind of give them a little clue. And then like for this one, like I have this, so this is kind of like the clue. And then on this one also, I did a bookmark, and then this is kind of like the clue. So they each come with a handmade one of my scrappy bookmarks, and they're quilted, or like they have quilting in them, and sewn on my machine. And yeah, so, and there'll be little special things tucked in, but each one is gonna have something kind of a little special. So those are gonna be on my shop. March the 1st will be my drop, so keep an eye out for those. I will be charging these 3 because each of the things were the same price, like the books were the same price as this, and the books are gently used. And I owned the books and I used them. Now this is the only thing that's new. I'm gonna have them in there for $25 plus shipping. And again, I'll put the link down below for my Etsy shop. It's Preppy Crafty Girl. It's without the. So Preppy Crafty Girl on Etsy. And these will be in here under Date with an Art Book. Okay? So that's all I wanted to tell you. Have an awesome day, and I'll be back with some crafting. Bye.